Alright, so let's proceed further. Majorly we have three type of sets: hash set, linked hash set, and tree set. Now the internal working and the internal structure which Java uses is also different. In case of hash set, a hashing table is used. In case of linked hash set, hashing table and linked list is used. And in case of tree set, a tree is used in the background. Now there are these three major differences. Firstly, hash set doesn't guarantee any ordering. The order of the output could be anything. But in case of linked hash set, the order would be based on the order in which we have added the elements. So the order would be retained. Now in case of tree set, it will sort the elements based on the natural ordering, or it can also make use of the compare method based on the comparator. Now how to deal with comparator is something which we will see very soon. The second difference is that the hash map and linked hash map allows only one null key or a null element, but in case of tree set it doesn't allow any null key. And the last difference is hash set is the fastest one, whereas linked hash set is the close second, whereas tree set is much slower because it needs to perform the sorting algorithm and then sort the element and then store the element in the tree set. So these are the major differences. Alright, so let's move into Eclipse, and now we will check a very simple and sweet program in order to demonstrate all of these three type of sets. So I will type in set. The type of the set would be integer to get start with. The name would be set, and we will initialize this with hash set. Alright, so this looks good to me, and we need to add the required package as well. Alright, so now we will add in a for loop. So I will type in int I equals 30 maybe, I is greater than 0, I minus minus. So everything is good, and in here we will type in set dot add, and we will add in I. Alright, so this seems to be good enough, and now moving forward we will make use of a for each loop. So I will type in int I colon set, and inside this for each loop we will simply print the value of I. So very standard and a simple example to understand. Alright, so here is the output, and the output is in sequence. And let me check whether there is some inconsistency or not, and in fact there is no inconsistency, which is a good thing, but the sequence is never guaranteed in hash set. Now moving forward, in place of hash set, if we make this as linked hash set, then what should be the output? We need to add in the required package. Then the output would be reversed, because linked hash set will retain the sequence based on the sequence which we have used during adding the information. As a result, we have added 30 first, and at the last we have added 1. So the sequence is the first element is 30 and the last element is 1. Now finally, let us make use of tree set. So in here I will type in tree set. Alright, so this is again cool. Now if I execute this program, then this will sort this list based on natural ordering, which is good, right? Let me take example of string now. So in here I will type in it is a set of a string, and we will add in a and then the number which is there in I. So now it will add in a information based on I value, and it will prefix the character a, which is cool, right? And everything is good. Let me make some modification in our for each loop. And now in tree set, again it would be based on natural ordering, and we can see that somehow there is some kind of issue, right? Firstly, we have added a1 and then a10, right? Because the priority is given to the second character. So after a, if there is 1, the priority is given to the second character. As a result, it's showing a1, a10, 11, 12, 13 till 19, and then a2, a20, a21, and then it's move on to a3. So definitely a different type of sorting, and this sorting is based on natural ordering. If, for example, we want to make use of some natural ordering or some custom ordering or modifying the sorting mechanism, then definitely we can do it as well, and how it is done is something which we will discuss in couple of videos. Alright, so let's proceed further, and in place of tree set, let's make use of linked hash set. In this case, definitely the order would be based on the order using which we have stored the information. So A30 was stored first and A1 was stored last. So the order is retained properly. So now let me make use of hash set. Now the order is definitely not guaranteed. Let me rerun this, and here is the order. The order is some weird order, some jumbled up order. Alright, so this seems to be good, and this is how we can make use of linked hash set and tree set. There is more to it when it comes to sorting and tree set. This is something which we will dig more in our next video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.